Alright, let's take a look at Monterey building type VI. Let's start over here in the back corner. Okay, this roof area right here is drawn with an overhang here, and it's drawn without an overhang here. Is this roof just offset wrong? Or does the center of this ridge have to be shown where this is at? Or is this opening just not drawn right? Yeah, so let me know what we got to do right here. Okay, where they have the 5th floor on top of the 4th floor, what is this detail right here? Provide me with a detail. You got roof trusses here, but are there going to be roof trusses here? And then what's the connection to this? And then how does the wall frame on top of it? I just need to see what it looks like. Same thing goes for this area also. Then down here in this lower corner, is this supposed to be a girder or a beam? It looks pretty shallow setback to be a girder, but depending upon how tall the heels are on this part of the roof, is pending. Right here, verify the condition in the ceiling. Front elevation shows this as a clipped plate line. That means it's below the standard plate. Same thing right here. Verify the ceiling in here. The elevation is showing this as a clipped plate below plate line. Let's take a look at another page. Let's look at elevations. Okay. Let's start off with the notes. It says 5 and 12. Verify it. It's not matching the roof plans. The dimensioning on this stuff is not quite right. For some reason, they gave this unuseful dimension based off of the dimension pulled from the fascia to the underside of the truss cord. Just let me know what this is supposed to be. Same thing from this. The hill height is going to be 2 foot plus a 4-inch. Same thing with this. It's going to be 3'5" plus a 4-inch. Over here, this is the area I was talking about. This area is drawn lower than the plate height. I didn't see a change in the reflected ceiling plans. How's this structurally being supported? If you draw a section of and follow the roof planes, it will show to be 9'1". So structurally, I don't know how this works to match the elevation. Same thing over here. Plate height is up here, and they're showing this below the plate. Same issue. Same issue here. Same thing. Alright, let's go to another page. 6'1". Same thing with the roof pitches. 5 and 12 doesn't match the roof plans. And that is pretty much it. Let's look at the structural plan one more time. Let's look at the high framing. Alright, so these boiler rooms, we need to verify the height of these boilers with a platform, because this is sitting on top of trusses. The trusses are not the depth of the floor joists. They vary on every building. They're all different. Okay, this tower right here, the elevator, it pops up to roof plane, and none of this works. So if you can revise all this framing right in here to work for the elevator. This is the clipped area that I was speaking about. So this 6x10, what is going on with the ceiling here? Because the end of the span stops here. Alright, and I itemized all this into a list. And that should be it for that one.